In the POS section, staff can view all restaurant and room service orders in one place. The system clearly displays customer details, order mode, order amount, order time, and current order status, such as in progress or billed. This gives the management and restaurant team complete visibility over ongoing and completed orders. To create a new order, simply click on New Order from the top right corner. The system allows staff to take orders for restaurant tables as well as hotel rooms for room service. Here, staff can select the table number or room number. The status indicators help identify active tables, occupied rooms, open orders, and pending bills, making order management quick and organized. Once a table or room is selected, staff can add menu items from different categories. Quantities can be increased or decreased instantly, special instructions can be added if required, and the order summary is automatically generated on the right-hand side. This ensures accurate order taking and minimizes manual errors. After finalizing the items, simply click on KOT, Kitchen Order Ticket. The order is immediately sent to the kitchen, allowing the preparation process to begin without delays. Now let's see one of the most powerful features of HotelX POS. In this example, we have placed a food order against room 201. As soon as the order is billed, HotelX automatically adds the food charges to the guest's room account. If we open the ongoing booking and check the billing section, we can see both the room charges and restaurant charges reflected together automatically. This means staff do not need to manually transfer restaurant bills to room bills. Because the POS and PMS are fully integrated, all guest charges remain synchronized in real time. At checkout, the front desk can instantly view room charges, restaurant bills, and other service charges from one place. This improves coordination between departments, reduces billing errors, prevents missed charges, and helps eliminate revenue leakage. Staff can also collect payments directly from the system and generate invoices or statements whenever required. Every transaction remains recorded, making reconciliation simple and transparent. HotelX POS also includes built-in inventory management. From the Manage Stock section, hotels can monitor available stock, track item quantities, and view current inventory values. Staff can perform stock recounts to verify physical inventory and use the restock option whenever new inventory is received. With integrated restaurant billing and inventory tracking, hotels gain better operational control, improved inter-department coordination, and complete visibility over revenue-generating activities. HotelX POS simplifies restaurant operations, room service management, billing, and stock control, all within a single platform. One system for orders, billing, room service, and inventory management, helping hotels improve efficiency and prevent revenue loss.